Right, so this is unidirectional, so I can put these motors on in any way I like. Let's check. Just check the length of wires. They're all about the same, I think. Yeah, they're all about the same. Yeah. Have you had any trouble with those ESCs? Okay, right, 4 motors in place. Now we need some of these rubberized standoffs. Do you use those? Do you need those with your flight controller? Yeah, these standoffs don't seem to be three wires. So these really length screw. They probably something down. Just some screw on there to make sure that so I think I'm using all the screws here. Oh, I think that's it. So I can't remember what the difference is. Cool, alright, so that's the standoffs in place for the flight controller. Somewhere I have got a video transmitter. It's this guy here. Plastic. Which is fine, I don't mind doing that. It's going to be tricky. Dang nabbit. This is really, really cool stuff to use, but it's a bitch to get off. Right, there we go. Hopefully I can just kind of peel that off. Oh, there we go, got it. Okay, so the frame is going to be, whoopsie daisy. Kind of like that, and that little thingamajiggy here is going to be there. So that antenna is going to be there-ish. So I'm thinking that if I mount that underneath like so, that's going to be about right. What do you reckon? So if I bend that around, put that at the back, oh, that might not fit. Oh, hang on, I've got a big fat piece of frame under it. Ah, there we go. Okie dokes. So in theory, this is going to fit over the top of that, like so. So it doesn't seem to be sitting down. Why is that? It's because it'll work. I'm not going to use the SD card reader. That will definitely work like that. I'll have to double check that I haven't got any continuity. Okay, let's put this in place and see how we get on. One more of those. Cool, alright, so there we go. Just try the try this in place. So that is video transmitter. Okay, how am I going to do this? What do you reckon? I don't know what I'm going to do here. The only other thing I could do would be to turn it around and have it stick out the front. Okay, I'll leave that out. Okay, so if I do that, that's not going to fit at the front now, I can guarantee it. Guarantee it. Oh, yes, that's not a yeah, that's a business. There it is. That's an easy situation. Maybe you need someone to sponsor you, mate, so that you don't actually pay for them. On the front there now, isn't it? pretty close. Right, so these standoffs here I've cut down so that they don't take up as much space, and hopefully, I think we achieved success. No, we haven't. Not quite. Camera's sitting proud. That's stopping that from going down, but that's okay. I can sort that. So I have some more of these, and it's that rear one that's the problem. So if I take a cut through there and swap this out, I should be okay. Question is, how am I going to cut it? Hacksaw. Now, shall I do this on screen? Yeah, it would. Well, I got there. Possibly not quite as conventional or clean or fast as it could have been, but it is what it is, and it worked. How not to use tools for the job. Yeah, interesting. I think that should be done. Actually, I could be fine then. That's part and parcel of doing builds. It's just the way it is. Things are challenging. Things are sent to challenge us. Cool, alright, that's one side. Meccano with soldering. Right. Okie dokie, so in theory this should fit better now. Why is it not fitting still? It's actually pivoting on one of these standoffs, so I can actually just cut these down again. Ought to do it. That might do it. No, not quite. We're still pressing down on that. Okie dokie. I think we're going to have to attack this from a slightly different angle. Well, I'm in a bit of an impasse here, I think. It's sitting flat now. Why is it sitting flat now? No, it's not rocking on anything. What have I done differently? What have I done differently, Grant? Okay, I've just resized it, I think. The problem is that by default it doesn't actually make the thing full screen. So any moment now. Ah, look at that. There you go, mate. Is that better? Yep, that's better. Okay, so you can actually see what I'm doing now, I take it. Alrighty, so bolt this rear one down and see if I've got any shorts. If I've got shorts, I've got a problem. If I don't have shorts, I can carry on. Okie doke, so, and I've actually got quite a decent amount of tilt on that camera now. I didn't before. I was kind of limited to something like that. Okay, excellent. Okay, so how much money do you want to put on there being a short of some type? Okay, so let's start here. Oh no, there's no short. Huh. Okay. Huh. Hey, I thought aluminium was conductive, but I'm not getting any continuity across the aluminium. Is that right or not? Or is it only heat that aluminium conducts, not electricity? Because if that's the case, then that is actually going to work really well. Really? But look at this. I'm getting nothing on the outside, so maybe the anodizing is stopping that. But even in the thread holes, there's no conductivity. And I'm definitely getting it if I test. Interesting. I'm not getting any conductivity between the aluminium and the carbon. So why would that be, do you think? Anodizing. Okay, so what I'll do is I will take that frame off because I've got to wire it up now. This could take a while. How's the weather out your way? It actually looks like it's clearing up. Is it clearing up? Well, it's supposed to be. I mean, it looks like it, tastes like it, feels like it. What else would it be? Right. So I'll take that off. So this is where I've got to start doing some soldering. Actually, I might take that off for now so I don't damage it. Yeah, it could be. I mean, who knows what the Chinese are calling aluminium. Whatever it is, it doesn't seem to have any conductivity, electrically speaking. So that might change over time, who knows. I hope not. Yeah, okay, well enjoy your stump. If you do happen to come back, I'll still be here probably in about an hour or so.